So this is a flat rack.
Flat rack.
This is how we ship the products that cannot be put into the container.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Just replace the container. Yeah.
Yeah. This is like a flat rack container.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cannot be stacked, yeah. Cannot, yeah.
Cannot.
Only one, yeah.
Yeah.
No
So
stacking.
sometimes some customers when we ship the product, for example, Zhejiang,
Oh, good job.
they want us to install the ring and the gear on it and then ship it. Yeah.
Oh, so you cannot dismantle that, yeah.
Already
assembling here.
Yes, we can.
Oh, you can.
Yeah, usually it is shipped separately.
Yeah, no.
But-
They
but-
want you to.
They want to install it so that they can spend less time on site. But if you do that, the shipping cost is also higher. Yeah.
Okay,
稍微那个白色。
跟他说这个，可以跟他讲，你是能开你的不能开这个。
对。搭了。